Hey guys, Brandon again from Auto Advantage. Today we have a 2016 Toyota Corolla LE model, 39 highway miles per gallon, 30 miles around town. It has 120,000 miles. As you can see, it has a backup camera, the air conditioning cranks, power locks, power windows. Let's take a look outside. Of course, we know the reputation of the Corolla. Excellent vehicle. It's in a gray blue color. It does have some oxidized paint on the hood. I want to be really clear about that, but it's at a price that you can't say no to. Again, 2016 Toyota Corolla LE model, 120,000 miles, 39 highway miles per gallon. Good looking rims. Take a look at the inside. Gray cloth. Back seat. As I said, it's an LE model. These are great cars for beginners, great commuter cars. Take a look under the hood. It does have the stereo volume and controls and Bluetooth feature integrated into the steering wheel. Power mirrors. It's a nice car, for sure, and it'll save you on gas, and very important at this level in these days with this economy. Engine is clean, comes with a warranty included, as all of our cars do. Again, 2016 Toyota Corolla LE in a gray color, does have fog lights, and as I mentioned, the miles per gallon are outstanding. We do have financing if you want to go that route. We do take trade-ins, and every vehicle we sell comes with a complimentary warranty, 30 days or 1,000 miles, whichever comes first. I did show you the backup camera. Let me show you the trunk compartment because it has ample space. Great first car, commuter car for a college child. Look at the size of the trunk. Again, my name is Brandon. I work for Auto Advantage. Our direct phone number is 760-280-7648. We do have financing if that's what you need. You can come with outside financing. We do have a warranty that we pay for and put on every vehicle that we sell. We do take trade-ins. Please feel free to give me a call, 760-280-7648, or check us out on our website at www.buycleancars.com. I hope to see or speak to you soon. Thank you.